So I was in the market for a roof rack system for my Jeep. After looking at several manufacturers and options, I decided on the TrailFX roof rack system for the Jeep JKU. Without further ado, let's go install this thing. The first step is to remove the bolts to the front windshield brace. After, you bolt on the front section of the rack with the provided hardware. Next, you add the section that goes between the two front windshield braces. Afterwards, you bolt on the other side to hold up the section that you just installed. Next, add the pipe that goes lateral to the Jeep, from front to back. Unbolt and remove the rear bumper so you can have access to the rear mounting bolts. After that, add the back rear corner from top to bottom. Afterwards, install the piping that goes between the two rear sections. It helps if you put the piping and one rear corner together in order to make an easier install. Afterwards, finish by bolting up from top to bottom, just like you did on the other side. Finish by tying up all your bolts and adding your crossbars. It is very important that you leave this as the last step. Overall, the rack looks pretty great. The instructions were a little lackluster, so the installation didn't go without a few hiccups. But overall, it was pretty straightforward. It was self-explanatory. There were a few things that I would change. Probably these plastic knobs, they strip out pretty easily while you're tightening them. Other things, it's from what I read after doing some research, the people were complaining about rattling. So what we did is, in every joint that we had to bolt the rack together, we added some electrical tape to kind of shim it to prevent any rattling. And so far, it's pretty solid on the road. It's no rattling, no noise, and I haven't noticed much of a difference. So yeah, I like it. For a $400 rack, I would definitely recommend it. We will report back to you guys after some use and abuse on the trails.